The follow through of the sniper trade of the day for July 8th, 2026. This was on daily charts, the setup we looked at in XLF during the coaching call last night. We said at the end of an extraordinary run, the doji plus closing weekly, we said if it broke below yesterday's low, which it did at the gap down, then we would be definitely short, aiming for the SMA 30 eventually. And what we got was a 100% directional day, getting short at 55.75, closing at 55 even. This is what that looks like on the standard 10-minute frame. Absolute no-brainer. It closed here, big gap down. You could even take the OR10, but when it moves a R5 top, we get short about here. Stop at the top of the day, does nothing, follow through. Never even tested the VWAP except a little moment. So the goal entry is typical exit is at the Steel Dragon, and per trade of the day for July 8th.